Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Coach Eric Walton, head coach of the men's Pensacola Lightning basketball team, ABA franchise. Today, like Mr. Beasley was saying, it's a blessed day for Takia. It's been a long time coming. He's one of our standout players. When I first met Takia, he was in the gym, just playing ball, just playing pickup ball. And I told him, I said, man, you got some height, you gonna do anything with that? He said, hey, I'm just looking for the opportunity. So I reached out to him, and now he's here. He's a part of the Pensacola Lightning family, and right now we are celebrating his homegoing. He's signing a contract to go play overseas in Spain. So we just wanted to share this opportunity with each and every one of you, fans, sponsors, each and every one of their respectful places, and we just want to just let Takia know that we're happy for him and to keep moving forward. So we just wanted to just put it live so he can sign his contract. If you have any few words, reach out to the fans. We're going to give him the opportunity to say some things too to you guys.
I want to thank everybody for showing up today. Everybody that supported me since I actually got in Pensacola. My sister, my family that can't be here, unfortunately. The Pensacola Lightning family, the fans, everybody that supported me in some way, shape, or form. I really appreciate the support and love that y'all gave me.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
One. Amen. Wow, the very first Pensacola Lightning player to sign to go overseas. I believe the team is Cantabasket 04 at Santander. He's going to be playing in Santander, Spain. Give me those right there, please. I can't give him much, but I can give him something. Let's go on with. No, it ain't no money. So ain't no money. So, but I just want Pensacola Lightning to be shown in Spain. So I got Takia a shirt, one of our shirts. Takia, he'll be able to wear that in practice. They're gonna say, "What's that, Pensacola Lightning?" I'm gonna say, "You can say that's right, that's right." And also, he has one of our shooting shirts for this season, Build, Believe, Become, which is a shirt that was designed by my son, Terrence Beasley, and we decided to use it this year. And so Takia will be able to take this over in Spain with him so he can build, believe, and become all that he can be.
Kid night, and I want to thank the whole Pensacola Lightning family for all the love and support that you showed me through the whole year. I want to thank my sister. She's been in my corner since day one. Everybody in my family, my friends, just everyone that's really showed me support and love, man. I thank y'all from the bottom of my heart, man.